All right. Hey, this is Joel. This is Breck, and we just want to wish everyone what?
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, everybody.
Merry Christmas, everyone.
Hey everyone, I'm Clifford. Just wanted to wish everyone a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Hey everyone, it's Oliver here, and I just wanted to wish you a very Merry Christmas and also a Happy New Year.
Hi everyone, this is Rachel. Just want to wish you a Merry Christmas and an amazing 2023.
Hey, this is Nia. Wish you have a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Hello everyone, my name is Sally and this is Lily. We just want to wish everyone a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Hi everyone, my name is Jorge and I wish you a very Merry Christmas and a happy 2023.
Hey, this is Ben Sui from Team Thomas. Just wanted to wish you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Hey, this is Thomas and Winnie. 2022 has been a very interesting year. Well, we're glad we all made it, so I just want to wish you and your family Merry Christmas, Happy Holiday, and I'll see you in 2023.